semifinals. Game 2 is between your RS XD WonderTech versus your Rayela Trabunco. And your lineup, Aban, Alcantara, Arnoco, Balsita, Baloa Ash, Baloa Asnawi, Castro, Dikere, Ferrares, Limbaga, Nies, Oberes, Sabubo, Sandoy, Villaver, and your head coach, Nene Nabong. And the lineup for Tomas Kabili, Rayela Trabunco, Araneta, Bangkal, Kasia, Dikere, Demaro, Ecleo, Gonzales, Lubguban, Madronero, Olarte, Rabe, Reyes, Surya, Suarez, Taganos, and the head coach is Coach Popoy Flores. And the starting lineup for your Aris XD WonderTech at guard. The team order, Oberes, the other guard, Arnoco, forward, Balsita, forward, Aban, and your man in the middle, Sir Villaver. And your starting lineup for your Ayala Trabunco at guard, Gonzales, another guard, Reyes, forward, Suarez, forward, Ikiri, and your center, Yanyan Surya.
At umaga ay briefing ang swimming pool ng mga official dito. First order natin ang kasunod.
Diri ka? Ha? Wala. Dira ta diri resto nga.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is your game 2 of the semifinals between your RSXD Wonder Tech versus Rayela Trabungco. Ang atoang standing is 1-0. Kung mudaog ang Rayela, wala na game 3. Pero kung mudaog ang Ares, we will be forcing a game 3 on Monday, diri gihapon sa Tomas Cavili. By the way, sa mga nangutana ganina, daog ang Bajams 1-1. So to close the series, natay game 3 para sa Bajams and Sultans. Okay, let's go to the ball game. Maayong, sir, manghangyo mi sa atong mga higala nga dili lang ta mula pa sa court, no? Manghangyo mi, sir. Salamat kaayo sa ato ang Salamat kaayo, sir. Okay, game 2 of your semifinals. Pakpak mga abay. Okay, back to the ball game. Our second game is between Rayela Trabungco versus your RSXD Wonder Tech in white and Trabungco Rayela in green. It's Gonzalez, no, not good. Rebound by Demaro. Demaro, I think that was a turnover. Habog ang ring, habog. Ato ang official. Pa-shout out kang kontra na pod ang mag-utol ang Iman Dikere and Rimor Dikere. Kini, this is it. Taganos on the mask. Grabe no ni. Nakakon jud kini siya dula nga bata ni. Balua looking for his teammate. And he dribbles. And he shoots. Oh, what a block by Dikere. Dikere to Reyes. Intercepted by Mr. Oberes. Ang ilahang team owner o pinakamaayo sa ilang team. Grabe ni. Number 28. Kuya. Grabe, easy lang kay. Instant replay brought to you by Honorable si Sharvis Shakur. Ang atong score, 5-0. 9 minutes on our first quarter. Balua, nakita niya si Alcantara representing Lanao, no? All the way from Lanao pa ni si Alcantara. Panalay. Gidipinsa ni Demaro, gipasa kang Villaver, wala. Oh. Ang nakaayusan niya to ang Kini, Allah. Ani Villaver versus Diki, nabuhian ni Villaver. Kani Taganos, Pastor Reyes. Grabe, Reyes. Gadalag mga parinte diri karon sa iyang likod. Murag naglisod pag-score si Ares pero di ni pag-ansi si Kuya Uberes. Rayela 7, Ares 0. 8 minutes and 22 seconds. Balua for 3. Ito na nga, 3 points by Luca Balua. Ito na. Uy. Turnover of Rayela Trabunco. Now, Alcantara trailing. Beres! 2 points by the team owner, the team captain, and the team ace player, Beres. Grabe smile. 5-7 ang atong score. Remaining time is 7 minutes and 48 seconds. Grabe ni nga dula ni kani Arnoco, the 3-point specialist. Spin move. Pass to Luca Balu again for 3 points. No, not good. Not good. Rebound by, grabe ni siya. Taganos. Gamay-gamay. Pero yayay, Taganos to, wala. Ito naman si Alcantara. Pass to Luca Balua. Balua to Alcantara. Wala, igualis na. Parang ganun lang, no? Nakulbaan si Papa Tears, no? Papa Terio Taganos kay nakaabay guro ni. 7-7 ang score nato, 7 minutes. Tarungan ninyo daw kay nasa si Papa Tears din iskilid. 7-all, 7 minutes. Ito na. Nag-miss. May stepping on the line si Kuya Dimaro. Turnover, and I'd like to also to acknowledge Kuya Larry Amado of Rayela Trabunco. No, first time na to nakita si Kuya Larry diri sa atong venue. Kini. Miscommunication between Balua and Villaber. Tinanaway sila. Okay, back to the ball game. Taganos to Reyes na naman for 3. Rebound by Villaver. By the way, si Reyes atong best player of the game last game. Balua trailing. Bugula daw yung Taganos. Foul. So once again, if you are tuning in sa inyong mga balay, you can, kung gusto mo magtanaw sa inyong big screen, you can tune in to GBL YouTube channel, and gusto mo sa mobile lang, sa Facebook. This is brought to you by SciTech Live Prod. We make memories from creativity. Gonzales on the spin move. Ang galing! Grabe, gamay-gamay lang. Ito na, 9-all lang score natin. 6 minutes in the first quarter. Arnoco, not good. Kini rebound by Gonzales. Gonzales, pasa sa iyang migo nga si Taganos. Si Taganos, pass to Reyes na naman. Wala din, ipanuhot si Reyes. No, inayang pamilya gata. Taro nga boy, dahil inayang mga pamilya. Ito, Balua. Wow! Sayang. Sayang, napangiti si Balua doon. Ang ganda na. Reyes to Dimaro, block by Alcantara. Naghahanap ng foul si Dimaro. Ito na naman si Arnoco. Ang galing na. Taganos. Wala kay niya gitagbo kay magbangga niya ilang ilong. Giriba ni Dikere. Dikere, Taganos. Idang ini. P-Boy for the easy 2. Okay, 11-9. Shout out kang Jason Padayhag. Birthday niya karon from Ray Ayan. Ayan Olasiman. Shout out Joven Gonzaga. Kini Luca Balua. Balua. Ngita siya siyang kauban. Alam, grabe si Villaver si Gonzales. Sweet kay sila. Ayusa kay Tlatanaw na eh. Kini mo na pasabot nga semis good part of the game, that's the physicality. That just remember no to keep your cool, no kay para madaog nato ni nga dula. This is it, Taganos. Taganos to Dimaro to Dikere. Grabe. Ito. Grabe mga hinawiray nila sa ilalim. Ito si Alcantara. Alcantara to Arno. Uy, murag double gini ay. Nabuhian niya, no? Nabuhian niya ang bola. Shout out James Castillon from Jai Castillon. Substitution, yes, in. Uberes out. Galing. So back to the ball game. Lamang pa rin ang Rayela Trabungco. 11-9, 4 minutes and 26 seconds in the first quarter. Andy Gonzalez. Wow, what a pass to Taganos! Grabe, migo gid sila. Tingala ko na mo buto na day bata sige pamunal diha og ano, mineral water. Balua. Uy, Villaberto. Ano, Dikiri. Ano. Ay, grabe. Rebound. Rebound na naman. Reyes. To Taganos for the jumper. 2 points. By Taganos. Habol, 9-15. Pero hindi magpapatalo tong Ares. Alcantara from Lanao. Arnoco for 3. Bang! Grabe na mag-rebound ni si Dikiri. Uy! Dikiri na naman. Ito na naman si Dick Gonzalez. Pass na naman to P-Boy. Walay halin si P-Boy. Uy, Balua! What a nice move! Balua! Pass to Nies. Nies for wala pa rin. Ito na rebound na naman ni P-Boy. Pass to Dikiri. Mudang ni. Mudang yun di ay! Wow! Ay! Okay, walay pa. 9-15. Ito 3 points. Gigit ma-shot. Woo! Basta nakaabay ani, kabuhi yun. Saka kanaog. Hindi ra magudutang mo tanaw ra, no? Ano, magabay-abay pa magud. Pero inyo haman ang kinabuhi. Shout out Garrick Hamza Magkaya, Maki Pandara. Dimaro out. Olarte in. Ito na si Arnoco. Pass to Balua. Balua is guarded by Gonzalez. Fake shot and the move. Uy, hindi pumasok. Wow, what a tip. Ito, dunk na gini siya. Ay! Habog yun sigurong ring, no? Hindi mo eh. Lumobo na ang kalamangan ng Rayela Trabungco. 9-17, no? 8-point ball game. Ganina, iguales ni. 2 minutes and 32 seconds. Alcantara. Sizing up Olarte. Sa maning buhato ni Alcantara for the jumper. Ooh! What a smooth move by Alcantara. 11-17 ang score na to, mga higala. 2 minutes. 2 minutes and 16 seconds brought to you by Honorable si Sha. Uy, Olarte. Uy! Na extra pass. Reyes na naman. Walang halin na naman. Bang! Wabi Balua. Grabe. Gibadihan, oy. Lupad yun na po, eh. Shout out Aldrin Gomez. Maki pa talaga. Shout out Garrix. Time out daw. Time out. 1 minute. Kenny. Grabe ang gula dyan. Intense kayo. So welcome to GBL Season 1 Mayor Freddy Xiao Cup, co-presented by our Vice Mayor Wek Wek Uy, together with our shareholders Derek Xiao, the Councilor, and of course Councilor King Belmonte, and our latest member of the family of GBL to complete the Big Five, Honorable Barangay Captain si Sharvi Shakur. And this time out is brought to you by Honorable Vice Mayor Wek Wek Uy. So this time around, we'd also like to acknowledge the presence of the CEO of 4J Sports and 4J Graphics, none other than Kuya Japet Onke. Dikere for 2-19-11. Gwapo ni kuaning mga bata sa atbang. Okay, buto kayo. Arnoco. Ito na si Arnoco. Ginagwardya ni Reyes. Arnoco, walang... Ito si Balua, guarded by Gonzalez. What up? Galing ng depensa ni Gonzalez. Ululula. Grabe si Andy, fighter kay 11-19, 1 minute and 23 seconds. In the first quarter, labaw gihapon ang Rayela Trabuco. Dikiri, pass to Gonzales for the fake. Wala. Rebound by Arnoco kani Alcantara. Alcantara. Ooh, what a move! Wala lang yun niya na shot.
The remaining time, 1 minute and 17 seconds in the first quarter.
And once again, we're very much grateful and thankful to Barangay Tomas Kabili, courtesy of our Barangay Captain, Honorable si Sharvi Shakur. And also our official rehydration partner, Amlan Purified Water. Shout out Joven Gonzaga, hurot ng saging. At kuyawa ni shout out. Okay, back to the ball game. Taganos, the masked man. Nangitag kapasahan sa iyong kauban na si Andy. Seconds to play, 11-19. Magandang, pass to Ularte for the fake and a shot. Oh, grabe. Magaling. Ularte, grabe ang shooting touch talaga ni Ularte. Walang kupas. Ito. Aban, Tunyes, sizing Taganos. Tingnan natin for the... Uy! Ang ganda nun! Pero hindi pumasok. Sayang ang foggy moves. Shout out kay Jai Castillo, ang panalay ng Saray from James Castillo. And also shout out boss Mohamed Dura from Malaysia, Hussein M.O. Pandara. Once again, welcome to GBL Season 1 Semifinals Big Four match-up between the Game 2 of Rayela Trabuco and RS Wondertech. 1-0 ng standing in favor of Rayela Trabuco. 12-21, 27 seconds remaining in the first quarter. Gonzales still dribbling, pinasak ang Ularte. To P-Boy, ito na naman si Dikere. Ang galing naman. Woo! Easy 2 points by Dikere. Ito si Arnoco. 5 seconds remaining. 5 seconds. Delay up. Wala pa rin. And here you go. Here's the end. Del. So our score is 12-23. Kung mudaog ang Trabuco, they are waiting for the finals. Kung mudaog ang Ares, we will be forcing a game 3. And also we'd like to acknowledge our men in uniform for keeping us safe. Okay, now in our second quarter, Rayela Trabuco basketball. Team on the floor, Ecleo, Olarte, Surya, Bangkal, and Suarez. And on Ares, Balsita, Alcantara, Villaver, Balua, and Nies. 12-23. Ito na si Nies. Hinahanap si Alcantara. Ay, ito na, nahanap na niya si Alcantara. Pinasa niya kang Balsita, the veteran. Alcantara na naman. Ooh. Suwabing moves and shot by Alcantara. 14-23, 9-point ball game. Ito si Ecleo. Hinahanap niya si Ecleo. Tumira ng 3. Oh! By the way, si Ecleo, taga dirini sa Barangay Tomas Kabili. Astasad si Villaver sa Ares, taga Barangay Tomas Kabili. So hati ang mga... wala nagpalibak si Villaver for 2 points. Mga home court heroes nato. hometown of Barangay Tomas Cabilin. Oh, nabitawan ni Olarte. Ito na siya. Ito na si Bangkal. Oh, hindi pumasok. May foul. We have a 10-point ball game. Shout out to Joanne Gomez watching from Villaverde. Okay, back to the ball game. Balua. Uy, sayang yun. What a sloppy pass. Sloppy pass. Uy, Bangkal for the layup and it's good. 16-28. Lamang ng 12 puntos. Ang Rayela Trabungco. Alcantara. Ito, binabantayan ni Harold. Ito, na double team siya. Oh, nabitawan. Muntik na yon. Buti na lang. What a pass by Nies! Pero hindi nga lang na-convert. Dami ng turnovers ng Ares. They need to bounce back for them to retain or to have these hopes to remain in our semifinals or else Rayela Trabuco will take the advantage. Ito, Surya. Cross pass to Bangkal. To Icleo na naman. Icleo. Pinasa niya kang Bangkal. Wala. Ito, Villaver. Naghahanap ng kakampi. To Balsita. What a block. Grabe naman yun. Icleo for the drive. Magaling. 2 points by Icleo. Alcantara. Oh. Villaver for 2 points. 18-30 ang score natin. 7 minutes in our... We are now in our second quarter. Shout out kang Felix Vitugo sa paghatod sa jersey sa Iamanoy Balsita from KC Nicole Balsita. And score is 18-32. Malayo pa ang laban. Ito. Si Villaver at saka si Olarte, napaka-sweet nila. Ito na. Ito si Nies. Nies. Ang galing. IG. 2 points. Ito na si Icleo. Pinasa kang Bangkal. Bangkal to Surya. Uy, cross pass. Oh, that was a dangerous pass. And I think we have 6 minutes and 13 seconds. 6 minutes and 13 seconds in our second quarter. We have a 12-point ball game. 12-point ball game. Ito. Villaver. Itong si Nies nagdadala ng bola. He wants to make a play but pinasa niya muna kang Ashraf. Ito si Balsita, the veteran. Balsita. Oh, ang ganda. Uy! Grabe. Oh, grabe. (20:32), 5 minutes and 39 seconds. Live Villa Eldon. Okay, mumabawi na. Bumabawi na si Ares. 22-32. Icleo. Icleo, the hesitation to Suarez. Wala. It's not good. Ito na. Grabe. Time out. Rayela Trabuco.
Yoy.
Check. Check. Okay, back to the ball game. Ito si Villaver. Alcantara, wala pa rin. Oh.
Awas kot. Uli na.
Ito si Balua. Grabe ang depensa nila ni Villaver at saka ni Cleo sa ilalim. Oh.
Number 4. Shot clock. Physical shot clock. Physical two. Working seconds.
Okay, Balua. What a move. Ang galing. Hindi nga lang pumasok. Ito na, na-rebound na ni Kasha. Naghahanap na siya ng kakampi. Oh, unfortunately na. Grabe ng wow! Ay! Walang swimming pool. Pero nag-dive si Kasha. Villaver! Murag. Ala. Traveling daw. Hindi. Okay. Back to the ball game. 22-32. Grabe, nag-swimming, nag-dive doon si Kasha. Kasha also from here, no? Sa Barangay Tomas Cabile, together with Icleo and Villaver. Ito na si Suarez. Suarez to Icleo. Pinasa. Kang Soria to Suarez. Ay! Galing. Hey. We have a 12-point ball game. 22-34. 3 minutes and 46 seconds ng ating second quarter. Balua. We have a foul. Once again, welcome to GBL Season 1, the semifinals, Big 4 crossover match, second game. Game 2 of your Ares Wondertech and Rayela Trabuco. Alcantara, okay, it's good. Shout out, Jam, 0 points. Baranja kami. Grabe ni si Baranja Amer. Okay, Jam. Pinapulutan juga ni Baranja Amer. And of course, 22-34, 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Lumalaban pa rin ang Ares. And by the way, kung mananalo ang Trabuco dito, sila na ang maghihintay para sa ating finals. Bangkal! No, not good. Grabe power rebound by Balsita, the veteran. Tumatakbo si Balsita for the... Ay, na-short nga lang. Rebound by Kasia. Pinasa naman niya kay Ecleo. Pass to Suarez. Suarez for the easy lane. And it's good. Grabe. Ito, si Villaver. Pinasa kang Balua. Balua, ginagwardyahan ni Kasia. Ito na naman si Balua. Naghahanap. Uy, nahanap niya ang kanyang kaibigan na si Aban for the 9. Straight na ang turnover. 22-36. Di pa rin nagko-convert. Ecleo na naman. Inalihok. Oy! Ang gandang pasa nun. Wow! Ang galing! 22-36. Sa wakas, andito na si Scrape Kings. Shout out, Scrape Kings. Ito si Balua. Balua. May screenshot kang Balsita. What a hesitation! Ang galing talaga ni Luca Balua for EC2. 24-36. We have a 12-point ball game. Remember, ang Ares ang naghahabol dito para makatay sa ating series 2-4 sa game 3. So, eto na si Scrape Kings for 3 points. Uy, wala. Uy, another rebound na naman ni Luca, ni Balsita to Balua to Alcantara for a lefty layup. Pero, out of bounds. $25-36 lamang pa rin ang ating Rayela Trabungco. This is the game 2. Game 2. Ito na. Ito na naman sila. Hey, hey. Ecleo. 2 points. Oh, mura na pong na ni Buto. Bata man na si Bunal. Ito si Arnoco for the crossover. Uy! Bang! Gandang pasa naman. Alak ka! 25-30. Sayang, Idol Balsita. Hindi pa pumasok. Parang na-frustrate dun si Balsi.
1 minute and 38 seconds.
Wala din. Layo. Layo ka kayo. Ayan, ito na. Ito na ating Mike Master G.
Okay, so I'm back, guys. So thank you so much sa ating mommy. Ayan, Mama Birdie.
Ito lang apit. Gamitan natin. So, parang...
Thank you for taking the business, mommy. Okay, so back to the ball game tayo. That time out is sponsored by Honorable Vice Mayor. Work with illegal, we can do it. And now, eto na. Still, Rayela Trabungco has a very commanding lead in this second quarter under a minute 37.
Yes.
Okay, so we have Cleo.
Ito si Kasia yan.
Kasha pala, sorry. Kasha.
To Scrape Kings. Scrape Kings!
Luguban, miss it.
Ayaw talaga. Ito na siya. Uy!
Steal by Loco Baloa and Balsita talaga.
Uy! Lumipad!
Nawala yung lakas niya. Alam niya naman na
Ayaw talaga. Kasia! Oh!
For Kasia. Sayang yun by Balsita ulit. Bawi naman ang jumper na 2. Wala pa rin. That would be a miss for Balsita for the second time. 8 seconds to play for the second quarter. Jumper for 3.
Wang! 3 points from the veteran.
Yes.
Si Awi Madronero, Kuya Jerbs. Isa sa mga pinakamagaling na shooters natin yan.
Madranero for that 3 in the side. No? So that would be forcing the points to 43-25.
20 seconds.
Luca Baloa. Ito na, Arnoco 3, bumawi. Di nakabawi. Kasi agad ang rebound.
30 seconds.
30 seconds remaining for the second. Feeling much time. Ayan na.
20 seconds. 20 seconds.
Wow, steal by Arnoco. Balsita back to Arnoco. To
Siya,
Baloa. And 2 points for Baloa.
10 seconds.
Ito na.
Yes, dalawa. Suarez for 2 points.
Grabe ang kwan.
Balikan agad yung pagtulisan. Okay, so now that will be the second quarter, and time is over for the second quarter. And now we are ready for our second half. So 27-45 po tayo sa tala na score, and that will be the end of our first half, mga ka-GBL. So now, you know what time is it, mga ka-GBL?
It's half time pa diyan.
Yeah, it's game time naman tayo sa ating half-court shot challenge na naman tayo. Okay, so hindi pa nag-aagisa na.
Kinsa tong mga shooter diha. Nasa tay mga pa. Ha?
Okay, so then, Dr. Bobby, is something after so time for okay, so
Ang bola, ang bola. Kuya, ang bola, ang bola. Oh! We have a winner! Oh! Dali na kayo! Salamat kayo sa itong mga sponsors. Natay mga sponsors na lagi na ano siya sa ikalit lang siya hatag, no? Shot good. Ay!
Balik, come on. Okay, one more. Dalawang winners galing kay Cap, si Sharvie Shakur, and our anonymous sponsor na very generous, napaka-anghel talaga. Katabi ko lang kanina. Okay, so, oy, almost. Kulang lang. Oh. Okay, let's go. We have still 30 seconds. Come on. 30 seconds. Almost. Come on. Yeah, let's go. Come on. Okay, bilisan, bilisan. 31. 30 seconds. 30 seconds. Come on. Bilisan, 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 bilisan. 20 seconds. All right, let's go. Come on. Off-court shot challenge. Come on. Wow, yun. Kalasang gulay. Uy, almost, pero wala. Netrinego. 16 seconds. 16 seconds. Come on. Okay, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and wala po tayo. So we have only 2 winners. Okay, 2 winners tayo. So asa yung winner? Sir, pangalan?
Ezekiel is
Saan mo ang kwarta? Manaog.
payat pagkaon.
Oh, very good, ha? Okay, saan kanan? Kobe. Ako na yung musot ka, Kobe man. Tagasa.
Kamagi.
Saan mo ang kwarta?
Paletong sundan.
Salamat natin kang Cap Sarvi Sacor. Pakita tayo picture. Congratulations Sarvi Sacor, our honorable Barangay Captain of Barangay Tomas Cavili. Thank you so much, Cap, si Sarvi Sacor. Thank you so much to our winners. So later on po tayo for this one for 500. So they will be happy with ito. And thank you so much for our halftime shot challenge. Thank you so much.
Yes, and we're back to the ball game.
Alright, thank you so much. Thank you so much sa ating mga... Wala. Okay, so back to the ball game po tayo, mga ka-GBL, for the third quarter. Maraming salamat sa ating mga generous sponsors natin at talagang kasama natin this time and watching live here at our Barangay Gymnasium of Barangay Tomas Cavili. And this time, Team Aris must be aggressive on this kind of play, mga ka-GBL, for them to take time to win this night game kasi talagang crucial for them to, mga ka-GBL, because if they're going to lose this game, they are going to say bye-bye. But ito, pumasok na yung first point for the second half na nanggaling kay Arnoco. So 31-45 po tayo. So Aris must make a stop for this kind of play of Darela Trabunco para maigpitan nila yung depensa, mahirapan makapuntos ng ating Darela Trabunco para madalihan nila yung habol. But now this time, another points for Darela Trabunco. From our Kasya naman yun kanina. Okay. Uy, double team for Loco Maloca. Looking for open man. Ooh, there will be big points and one for Villavera. So there will be a 3-point play opportunity for Villavera. And also their team owner and playing coach nila guys is Overes is here also to play. And he's also one of the key factor din naman na talagang nakakapag make play in this games, kanilang season game. That's why nakapasok sila sa kanilang position ngayon because they really had this opportunity. Look, Guban, jumper for 2, short, and that will be a rebound. Steal, and again, that will be a block and a foul by Aris Don. So there we go. Ay free throw po tayo na tayo mga kaibigan. Yes, Alcantara got his another personal foul, and Luguban will go to the line for 2 free throws. Okay, let's count it. Okay, so rebound. Galing, galing. Thank you so much sa ating mga nagsishare sa kanilang experience watching our live at YouTube channel at sa ating Facebook page. Maraming salamat. Pwede siguro kuya dyan, no, that we are going to make pili tayo ng mga most like ng mga post nila about GBL. Magbibigay tayo ng cash prize for that, no? Para at least man lang yung ating market natin talagang ma-advertise natin yung GBL natin. So our commissioner will just impose that kind of game. Balowa, a quick shot, but definitely a foul. So Loka Balowa will go to the line for 2. Ito na. There will be a chance for Balowa to make a point na naman because again, in every second and ball possession, talagang importante for Team Ares na makapugol at makapag-puntos. And that would be first row, basket counted. Okay, pasok yung dalawa. So definitely there will be 13 points lamang. So di naman masyadong kalakihan yung lamang kuya dyan. 13 points lang din naman and mahaba pa yung oras. So for Team Aris to win, a strong defense and a better offense for them. Okay, eto na yung sinasabi natin guys. Ayan, strong defense.
Daboy.
Okay, covered pa rin yun.
Daboy, walay halin.
Yes. Okay, so nakuha yung bola. Sayang, ball possession pa naman sana. But anyway, that would be a turnover. So Team Aris got a ball possession. So as mentioned by John, that ulitin natin for the Team Aris to push a win tonight. And to push another game 3, dapat maging aggressive sila sa kanilang offense. Kumbaga shot sama ganyan, no? Pero hindi lang nakapasok, naka-N1, but pupunta pa rin sa linya for a free throw si Alcantara for 2 free throws.
Brag off night natin ni The Boy kasi no naunta iyang mga family diri no. Pero dili siya ka-shoot, kuya.
Shoes din. Okay, no good for the first row. Alcantara for 2, and that would be second throw ko lang. So that would be basket counter for the second throw. So 36-50 po tayo sa lang na score. So Gonzalez back to the ball game. Posting up for Reyes.
Ito na si The Boy. Bumabawi si The Boy.
Baka ito na. Okay, 3 points, no good. Rebound by Villaver. Villaver got a rebound. Arnoco. Okay, iba talaga pag-base. Arnoco short for that jumper. Beyond the arc. Rebound by Nela Trabuco. Gonzalez attacking the basket. Okay, that would be Steve for Arnoco. But binigay sa kalaban. Okay, Reyes. Back to di makita. Okay, here we go. Basket counted. Okay, that would be Reyes for 2. Okay, so that would be a turnover. So talagang medyo wala sa composer ngayon ang Team Aris na dapat maging ang resibo sila this time because they are needing much win tonight na talagang hindi sila ma-eliminate for this semi-final round via John.
And also, napakalayo pa kuya.
Napakalayo, marami pang oras, marami pang mangyari. So, let's give a play. Okay, and that would be another 2 points by Kasia. Ayan, Kasia na naman for 2 points. Alcantara. Nabantayan ni Akasa, buddying. Ooh! But Uberes got a piece of it, but it's an out of bounds. So it's a turnover for Team Aris. Another missed opportunity naman to score. So ito na kaya, John. For Team Reyla Trabuco, that will be a good defense by Luca Balowa attacking Gonzalez.
Ang galing.
Oh,
Ay.
West strong and a miss too by Luca Balowa. Gonzalez got up the ball and the jumper, free throw. Wala pa rin, but that will be a offensive rebound. Uy, wabo. 2 points, no good. Rebound by Reyes. Sino yun? Paligo mo mga dagway, mga lawas ko yan dyan. Okay, so Dimaro will go to the line for that offensive rebound pero hindi nakuha yung 3-point play opportunity. Sayang. But anyway, Looking forward. 36-54 po tayo sa lahat ng score, mga ka-GBL. Sabi ni Coach, take your time daw. And that one basket counted. First throw. Second throw, ready for rebound. For Team Aris, Kuya John, they need to step up the game, Kuya John, for me, no? Though maraming oras, pero talagang every miss opportunity, sayang yung oras nila, hindi sila makapagpukol ng puntos. And that would be a chance for them to be eliminated this time, so that will be a bad shot for them, no? So hopefully, maka-momentum sila. Luka Baloa, taking a play. Arnoco for 3. Bang! There you go. Nahanap na ni Arnoco ang kanyang pulso. And Arnoco got the 3-point in that kind of play. So 39-56 po tayo sa talaan. Gonzalez. Ayan, Casa to side corner. Di ko makita si Ginoy. Oh, yeah. There you go. That would be an offensive rebound. Arnoco. Back-to-back 3. Tignan natin. Oh! There's a foul. Nakuha na ng foul by Reyes. And Arnoco will go to the line for 3-point opportunity. Nakaabol pa ni Reyes, pero that would be a foul.
Once again, Kuya, nasabi natin, napakalayo pa yan.
Yes, makapakalayo. Pero for me, Kuya Jan, kahit makalayo, yung oras, pababa ng pababa, they need to make a play. If kita naman natin sa play ng ating Team Ares, talagang they still looking forward with a momentum for creating a play to make a chance na talagang mag-advance sila sa puntusan to make this lead shorter and shorter from time to time.
Just 39-56, 4 minutes and 54 seconds. We are still on our third quarter. Napakalayo pa, but Ares, they needed this win. They have to adjust. They have to be more aggressive if they really want to win this to extend into game 3. And just like what Jumps did, napaka-aggressive nila since first quarter pa lang. That is why they have this lead all throughout the game.
Yes.
Hindi nakalamang yung sultans ni isang ano yun. So, it only means na kailangan din na mag-adjust itong Ares. Especially that sila ang naghahabol. Ito na si Reyes.
Reyes, okay.
Wala
That
pa
would be an
rin.
air ball.
Katawa na lang si Reyes, no? Kay, yung mga igagaw na diri, no? Nadismaya kay siya.
Highlight reel na sana sa kanyang foul. But
Sayang itong mga,
air ball.
mga fans club ni Damoy dito, no? Ito si Villaver. Uy! Oh! Grabe.
Sport pa rin.
Ang haba ng kamay ni Dekere.
If given a chance for Team Aris Gajan, they don't have to waste much time, no?
Yes.
As much as possible, they make a play, quick play, talaga.
And also, they need to be aggressive with defense.
Oh, talaga yan. Defense and then better offense, kumbaga. Pero ngayon, nahihirapan sila. So ngayon, abante sa 18 points ang lamang.
18 points. 4 minutes and 9 seconds in our third quarter.
Yes.
Malayo pa rin yan, pero pag hindi pa rin nag-adjust ng Ares, time is not on their side this time. Oh!
Body bag. Ito. Binabali-bali ni
Galing
Villaver.
pag-depensa ni Dikiri, nakasmile siya, no?
Walang bantay, but naibitawan ng bola. Tingnan naman makabawi, and that will be a miss. Luka Baloa got a rebound.
Ito na si...
Luka Baloa! Licking the magic. Kumanap ng kakape. Ang logo for 3. Tingnan natin makapasok pa. No, and that would be a miss. Villaver got a rebound. Okay, that would be a miss.
Ego.
Dikiri. Wala pa naman. Okay. Okay lang yan. Part of the game. Let's go.
Katawa na lang si Dikiri.
Marao to Reyes connection, and that would be 3 points for Di Marao. And Di Maro 2 assists and 2 points for Reyes.
Ano naman si Dikiri? Ay.
Ganun dapat,
Hindi
no?
na siya lumalapit kasi baka maigo na naman ng yan.
Reyes, walang bantay. That would be
Boy! Wala pa rin, no?
that would be a defense, strong defense.
It is the off night talaga ni P-Boy. Arno ko na naman.
Short pa rin.
Ito, Alcantara. Uy, nakuha ni Gonzalo. Pero may foul.
Okay,
Okay.
Gonzalez got that piece of it, so makakuha siya ng foul. Okay, so there will be timeout. Ayan, timeout po tayo mga ka-GBL. So you know what, Christian, if I may know, if I'm coaching sa atong team Aris, I would like to say that they need to have a better offense. Kung sabihin natin better offense, na they need to save much time. Kasi alam naman natin, naghahabol sila for a double digit, not double digit, but it's a big lead for team Rayla Trabuco. So for them, no? So kahit sabihin natin na mayroon pang oras, may fourth quarter pa, pero again, hindi natin, kasi yung Rayla Trabuco, they are house win tonight because they need to win this para ma-secure nila yung spot nila for the finals. Kasi abante na yan sila ngayon kasi 1-0 na yung series natin Kuya Jan. So if manalo yung Reyna Trabungco, definitely sila yung unang team na waiting for the finals. So, di ba? And that will be an advantage for them. Kasi the second, the team na makakatunggalin nila either nasa Sultan or nasa Bajams. Oh. But Monday pa yun Monday pa natin na malalaman.
Let's see kung may game 3 din dito sa series na. Kasi sa series ng Bajam sa Kasultan, may game 3 tayo this Monday.
Yes.
Same venue pa rin, Barangay Tomas Cavite. And sa mga nagtatanong sa ating finals, we're still working on if MSUIIT gym ba tayo or sa Ascenso Iliganon gym or maybe sa Anahaw Amphitheater. Amphitheater. Wala ta kabalo no kung sa pinaka para ma-accommodate na ito much bigger crowd.
Yes. So the Kiri got that jumper for 2 na naman. Grabe, iba na yung punch cut talaga ng Tomas Cabilio. Home court advantage. May mga kids cheers tayo doon. May nagdadala pa ng gitara at ng mga panambol. Okay, Gonzalez looking for Suarez. Nakita si Suarez for the 2.
Grabe.
Ayun.
Paara ko na sila sa kwan. Sa replay.
Ba talaga yung punch club ng ating team Rayla Trabuco. Home court advantage talaga for them. Luca Balo forcing the 3. Struggling pa rin tayo for a shot. And now, Taganos to Gonzalez connection. Walang bantay. Panalaki. Nako.
Hey!
Shaki na full. Shaki na full si Gonzalez that time. Binigla pa ni Dikiri. Yan tuloy na wala. Pero yun nga, sabi nga in the rules, those shall not compare.
By the way, andito na sa loob ng ating board si
Taganos.
Damas of Shushu.
Yeah. Back is straight talaga sa kanya kuya dyan. Bahala ko na ba magiging out na siya sa league.
Dahil din siya ulong.
Right, sa gulo.
Dula din siya.
Haliwat din siya haliwatan.
Ni Terio, ni Sir Terio.
Sir Terio na, haliwat si Sir Terio. Gahi, igayaw. Okay, so 42-64 under 1 minute. 62-64 under a minute and 48.
42-64.
Ayan.
Tawan pa. Same. Pero kung gusto nilang humabol, at least this third quarter, no?
Wow, nice nice play. Nice play.
That instant replay. Bago na lang ako si Starvin Shakur. Thank you so much.
Maraming salamat, Cap. Kaya si Cap nanonood sa ating live.
Sa Thanos, Gonzalez. Kanya, no? Hindi tumira. Ito si Maskov Shushu.
Oh!
Pinasikatan tayo. Na hindi pag-i-edit sa iyong karir ko yan.
Yes, Tagano scored 3 points.
Pagtigas talaga ng ulo ng Shushu na to.
Alcantara, Arnoco bumawi.
Arnoco, wow, asay.
Pa rin, talagang best opportunity for Arnoco that time. Arnoco best wise in making a play sa kanyang team kasi talagang nakakapagod din mag-rebound in every missed opportunity. So there we go. Dapat talagang big percentage sa shooting ang dapat na gawin ng Team Ares for them to secure a score in every ball possession.
Yeah, once again, welcome to GBL Season 1. So mga nagtatanong, this is an open commercial basketball league. These are among the finest players.
Arnoco for 3 points.
And many were asking if inter-barangay. Actually, hindi siya inter-barangay. We just have to partner with barangay. But this is an open commercial league.
Yeah.
So makikita natin ang mga quality players talaga coming from other barangays and of course other towns, neighboring towns sa Biligan City.
Great na ngayon. So 49-67. Sila pa rin ang lamang.
Ito na naman si Vasco Shushu.
Walang bantay. And Tagano 2 points na naman.
Grabe, tigas talaga ng ano nito.
Buwa pa rin.
So end of third quarter, 49-69. Tingnan natin kung anong gagawin na adjustments. No?
So, it could be a miracle for Team Ares kasi sabi nga naman natin Kuya Jan that if you know the story behind the Team Ares, bakit sila nandito ngayon, talagang they're fighting in every game Kuya Jan kasi alam naman natin na talagang during the preparation for this playoffs, kumbaga, talagang sila yung part of the 7th seed, kumbaga.
Yes.
No? So,
Bakit sila ma-eliminate ng
Ma-eliminate.
Sultans, but they got the win, so nasa 5th seed, and then they defeated the number 4 seed ng K-Shine.
yes.
And they sweep actually 2-0. So, this is a Cinderella story kung anong fourth quarter basing na sila i-adjust.
Yes.
But hindi naman magpapatalo ng Rayel at Lambuco because they have this experience, ang mga veterans nila, this composed of veterans and mga young guns natin.
Yes. Especially may fans club kang ganito, may gitara, may kaso mga ginikara na ni. Okay, so back to the ball game po tayo. Alright, so now let's go for the fourth quarter. So you know what time is it? It's game time for the fourth quarter. And this quarter is brought to us by Honorable Vice Mayor Wetwet Iligan. We can do it. So lamang ng 20 points ang ating team Rayla Tramuncos. Tingnan natin kung kakayanin mahabol ang ating Team Ares. Because again, if not, they will be saying bye-bye for this season. Uy, that's a good rebound. But Reyes got it. Parakuha ni Balsita. Balsita got a piece of it. And there we go. From attacking the basket. Defended by Reyes. Open for Arnoco. Arnoco side step. Tumira ng tres. Wala pa rin. That would be a miss. And that would be a rebound for Rayla Tramuncos.
And also for those
Yes,
who want to be part of GBL as shareholders, you can contact us at GBL sa to ang Facebook.
Yes. Open pa rin kami.
Yes. Actually, we are now in the process of working out for our season 2.
Excited tayo. Balita ko Kuya Jan, marami tayong mga outsider din outside the liga na magkasali.
And for our season 2, nakaschedule na tayo from July 16. Our opening is on July 13.
Yes.
And then 16 our first game. And then mag-i-end siya September 24 for our Game 3 finals. Para masakat nato siya sa Fiesta celebration. So this time around, we have visiting teams, guest teams. Kuya, mga sikat nga teams niya to ang mga sa GBL Season 2, no?
Yes. Excited tayo dyan, Kuya Jan.
Actually, nahihirapan tayo mag-screening kasi daming teams na nagsubmit, no? For season 2.
But you will expect a lot of best of the best talaga ng ating PBL. Kasi yung season 1 natin, alam naman natin, there will be always a first time for everything, Kuya Jan, no? But again, hindi naman talagang ganito ka negative yung approach natin because again, ang dami talagang mga fans ng GBL na nanonood at sumusuporta. So we're so much more happy on behalf of the GBL community. And we are looking forward for the season next July. This coming July. Yes!
Wow.
And that will be a good way. So 53-71.
So, gusto lang natin i-emphasize na in sa GBL, meron talagang exclusivity ng brands. No? As you can see, pinopromote natin si Amlan at saka si 4J.
Yes.
No, so we don't get any kanang competing bitaw or iyahang rival brand. So inana nato ginasuportahan ng ato ang mga brands. And medyo somehow medyo pricey siya in terms sa ato ang mga
Top speed na siya ba?
package prices. But
Oo.
we make sure that
Karon top
ang
speed
inyong pag-share, inyong pag-invest, sulit din tayo.
Wait sabay. Working bag. Wala Mr. Pops niya si Baluwang.
So the score is 53-73, 20-point ball game, fourth quarter. 8 minutes pa lang po tayo ng fourth quarter. No? Ang dami pang mangyayari dito. Tingnan natin kung anong adjustments ng RSXD WonderTech.
Yes. So Nias got that first throw. So second throw po tayo. Okay, miss.
But anyways, Kuya, nevertheless, kung sinong mananalo dito, if we will be forcing a game 3 or not, meron tayong game 3 for Sultans and Bajams.
On
So,
Monday.
same venue, Barangay Tomas Cavite Gym on Monday.
8 minutes naman.
So, next week
Okay,
na po tayo.
taga-assess na naman. Grabe sa taga-assess. Hindi atakot na tao sa ilalim. Tapang na tao talaga.
Ang lakas yun, no? 54-75.
Una yung nakapayag ba, sa dula, ang duha ka guard, nasa ilalim, patay ko kasi.
So yun, natumba yung ating A-frames doon.
54-75 ang score natin.
Gonzalez.
So sa mga brands, sa mga companies, and mga entities na gustong makisali as shareholders, you can PM us on GBL. And rest assured that the exclusivity of promotion of your brands, we will not counter it with your rival or any competing brands. Just like Amlan and 4J, na exclusivity yun, kuya.
Yes.
And together with, if ever you're a politician and a personality that gusto maging part ng ating GBL shareholders, Season 1, our league bearer is none other than our City Mayor, Freddy Xiao, and co-presented by the Vice Mayor, Wekwek Uy, Councilor Derek Xiao, Councilor King Belmonte, and of course, our Honorable si Sharbe Shakur.
Our punong barangay at barangay Tomas Cabili. Thank you so much, Cap. Okay, Gonzalez, naiwan mo na naman. Oh! Pangalawa na naman. Gonzalez having that kind of miss open shot. Ano ba na si Gonzalez? Ano? Talagang pagod siguro to. Dami kasing ligang sinasabihan.
Kampoy siya, kuya. Ikampoy siya.
Kapoy na si Gonzalez. Labaw naman.
Bantay mo siya bata daw.
Abat ang bata.
Bilar,
Yes.
bilar siya, bilar. Oh, yes, what a nice move.
And that would be a foul. So, yes, we're going to time.
Yes, once again, sa mga karon lang na shout out ko sa announcers, ukit na ako sa mga katong mangguong alapot siya. Money kwan?
Tawa lang ko kaniya, ano?
Mangguong ukit na ako sa katong mangguong alapot siya. Isa mo na. Ikaw, Dura.
Wala na. Tinawal mo
Yes,
talaga.
And
shout out
Ibigan.
Don Ray.
Ibigan, this is the very first league, the Open Commercial League,
Dati mas lamin
that
yun, no?
you have a full media production together with a real-time game statistics and analytics. Kuya, never been done siya ever sa Mindanao. If you could visit our website, gametime.net, you can see your full game stats and analytics.
And another free na naman for Raylan Trabuco. And that's a good thing kaya sa NBA pa na yung mga favorite players natin and the rooster talagang they have the stats on that online na natin, no?
Yeah, the reason why those coaches were able to study their competitor is from our rankings. And of course, the statistics that they got kung sino yung babantayan nila.
Yung mga percentage, scoring, rebounding,
The plus
steals,
minus of the statistics natin.
statistics. Talagang GPL iba to guys. And again, to inform everybody, hindi to liga ng mga barangay ha.
Yes.
This is not your
It's an
typical
open commercial.
liga. It's an open commercial and it's a private commission.
And Kuya, we have a good news. Since GBL is nag-start na siya sa open commercial,
Yes.
next time around, we have another category which is the intercollegiate. So we will be inviting all universities and colleges all around Mindanao and Visayas. Kung ang Manila may UAP at NCEA, ang Visayas may CESAFI, ang Mindanao may GBL sa intercollegiate, kuya. Grabe yun, no?
And that would be an opportunity for our college students now to express their talent in basketball because again, pwedeng an opportunity for them is for scholarship or future league, higher league, no? Platform natin like PBL or PBA. So we're looking forward for it. Talagang GBL will do the best we can that we can give highlights on our players at talagang makita yung mga talentong basketballista ng mga iligan. That would be a good way for us kasi talagang on the National League, PBA and PBL meron na tayo mga iligan players and talagang iba talaga pag iliganon.
Yes, you may notice sa social media kasi pinapanood natin yung mga ibang players ng ibang mga cities at saka provinces. Why not featuring our very own local players on the platform?
Dali lang masihan ba?
And once again, we do have now a two category for GBL, the open commercial and the intercollegiate. Kung ang Manila na sila UAP yung NCAA, ang Visayas na CESAFI, ang Mindanao na ay GBL intercollegiate sad kuya.
Yes.
So this is the very first time na with full game statistics and analytics. And of course, magpadayon gyapon ta sa tong open commercial.
Yes.
Sige na siya kung nagdagan.
Grabe
Ako
to
mo
sa
sa
GBL.
Gusto ko tanaw.
It's indeed game
Wala na
time.
siya fast break kasi
Okay, pumukol ng tres.
Malabayan.
Pasok.
Promote lang
ang
kung
tres
ulagan na sa
ni Yes.
Ano itong biyaan ni na Philippines?
And also, we'd like to take this opportunity na lang to shout out all our shareholders
And sa ating generous natin na kasama natin dito guys.
Yes,
Sabi,
si Kuya
napakagwapo.
Yes.
Ano?
Talagang very
Father
generous
namin
and
from
humble.
another mother.
Yes, very humble talaga. And namibigay ng prizes kanina. Thank you so much. Bossing.
Si Kuya Rosnil Tam Villanueva, Kuya. That's the name.
Yeah, sabi niya, di ba masabi daw, pero
Oh.
sabi na,
Itago natin sa pangalan Rosnil Tam Villanueva.
sabi niya, hindi daw sabi, pero sabi na, thank you so much.
Ito si itago sa pangalan na
Oh,
Rosnil.
Rosnil. And Boss Rosnil, thank you so much, Boss
Nonsense ko.
Rosnil.
Wakay
At least itago, at least itago
Depensa
natin.
ulo.
Yes. Pero kita-kita ko naman sa, kita-kita natin sa ating camera. Katabi natin tonight. Okay, so now still continue. Uy! Kinuha pa na pa.
Dili, di ko
That
mula
would
ko.
be
Kalabay.
free throw or
Kailangan na lang rebound gapon pero
yeah, number
Dili
2
pa ko
in here,
permit
Luguban.
nga
So 3 minutes to go na lang Kuya
Mahigit
before
Dili partida,
na
oh. Dili partida na.
makuha ng
Dili-
Rayel at
dili-
Tabuco
dili
ang
permit partida.
inaasam nilang waiting na finals.
So I can see now Kuya John that they are using much of their natayan
Brad,
bets.
ya mo. Rebound.
So pinapahinga na yung mga key players
Ano
nila
kayo, baka
to
vlogan?
secure
Di kaya ko mudagan kay.
condition.
Pinahinga nila yung key players nila kasi
balik pa ko.
alam naman nila na-
Pero
Walang halin
once
si
nga
Piboy
musulod na sila
Reyes,
dito, wala na ako diri kay wala naman tayo
hindi
diri.
ko siya kasi
Pero
tawa
lagi yung sa akin, mawala yung ito kay mabot na ko diri
Kasi
nya.
may-
Balik ang ulan.
Yeah, imagine na best player sa last game.
Yes.
Yeah, karon way halin gid siya. Buti na lang lamang sila no.
Buti. in a brighter side. Wala ko look, wala puntos, pero at least lamang sila.
Pero disappointed kayo may agaw, pagkamangkol.
Balik yun. Balik yun.
Kung nakangiyop siya sa coach, pabalik ako dito.
Highlight. Wait, yes, almost lost it. Recovered the ball and then attacking the basket.
Uy, napakagandang moves yun.
Balsita got a 2 points.
Kuya, one of the legends ng Iligan City yan. Romy Balsita. Yung signature move niya na behind the back.
Pagmalas ang isa.
Grabe talaga yan. Si Romy
Ah,
Balsita.
second five naman ni halos. oh.
And once again, the schedule for GBL Season 2.
Bertas, Mark open for 3. Short.
Kuya, actually, planchado na ating GBL Season 2. May schedule na tayo.
Yes, so mga ka-GBL na nanonood, guys, please get ready on in July.
July 13, Kuya, is our opening. Of course, meron tayong banda, meron
Yes.
tayong mga celebrities na iimbitahin. And July 16 is our opening tip-off game sa ito GBL Season 2.
Diretso
And
na.
then ang ating championship will be scheduled on September 24 bago mag-fiesta celebration. So this is in partnership para sa ato ang fiesta celebration sa September. Sabi Kuya. Dalawang seasons lang tayo per year, Kuya. Para maka-giveaway also to other na mga liga. And para makapahinga rin tayo.
Yes, we can celebrate December naman for
Yes.
our family. Bigyan
Kasi
natin.
magiging busy tayo ng Burman.
Yes.
Bibigay natin yan sa ibang liga.
Normal lang.
Meron tayong iba't ibang events.
Yes, oo
Fix
naman.
lang daan, mabiyahe na ba?
Okay, so but counted na naman, and that would be
Ang pace ba? Pas-pas.
score for
Dagandaran ka,
Ares, 71-93. Under 1 minute 48, so last 2 minutes po
Nakadula
tayo.
ako.
Mark Bangkal, sizing up. Tagging the basket. Pass to the side corner for Reyes. Wait, man.
Kaya
Pati na pala.
ako bang
Hindi kasya pa.
kaway.
Okay, yes, open for 3. Iwanan ni Cleo. Hindi ginantayan. Okay. Bang! Ayon! Resulting 3 points for Yes.
Ano silang pakurba?
Talagang pinampiyansa kayo, Ayan, dito. Man down. Ayan, talagang 3 points. So 1 minute and 22, 74-93.
Last 2 minutes na
Ooh, that would be almost steal. Mark Bangkal, tangin the basket. Pass is up to the rebound by Suarez, and Suarez comes for 2. Time out. Substitution.
Ano sub man? Di ba ano sub man mo may good.
Hindi man. Ay,
Ito naman
shot man.
So 74-95 pala ang score. Last 1 minute.
Pero pwede man, basta ilang
And seconds to play.
Hindi pwede, dead ball. Dead ball kita dapat.
Unang gina-foul.
Ano foul?
Ayan, so short
Repeat. Magkita sa naon. Magkita sa naon, na-realize niya.
Pero kuya dyan, if you're going to highlight, enlighten us why Raela Trabuco.
Makita sa inyo ako.
Ano ba kaya idea sa Raela
May
Trabuco?
gigibuyan
Raela Trabuco team.
Rayela Trabuco is a merger of Kuya Ryan, Jumaros Rayela team, And of course, Kuya Larry Amado's Trabungco team.
Yeah,
This is
yeah.
a merger of two.
Kaya mas pinagala sa Raila Trabungco man.
Rayela is the name of the daughter of Kuya Ryan Dimaro. And of course, Trabungco is a brother. It's a lawa ko ng Trabungco. So, ano yung marag moniker nila sa
Madali, no?
Uberes.
Alright,
Okay.
okay. Basket for Roberes.
Pumupukol pa rin si Uberes kasi gusto niyang maging makadagdag sa kanyang statistics ko yan.
Mark Banggal, 11. Taking time. Wala pa rin. Another mark. Okay, Mark. Highlight. Wala pa rin. Short press si Mark Banggal. And that will be over. And that will be the time over na po.
And this is it!
Game over, mga ka-GBL. So, 76-97.
Congratulations!
Congratulations, Raila Trabungco.
Advancing to our first ever GBL Season 1
Championship Finals.
Championship. Congratulations to the owners, Ryan Dimaro, and of course, Kuya Larry Amado, and the coaching staff, Kuya Nixon, the players, waiting for championship. Galing.
Okay, so yan na po mga ka-GBL. So 76-94-7 po talaan. So now that ends our game for our game to
Sabi
tonight.
sila kayo?
Oh.
Wala.
Pagpatuloy yung energy niyo sa inyong final.
Sino kaya ating best player of the game, Kuya? At saka interviewin natin yung
Yes.
mga coaches both
Yes.
sides. They, especially to Ares, they've done a tremendous job of securing. May battle for third pa naman. Ladies and gentlemen, check. Sino kaya ating magiging
Alright, so there you go mga ka-GBL. So for our game 2 between Raila Trabungco against Team Aris. So the Cinderella story of the Team Aris ends here tonight. And that will be an elimination for them for this semi-final round. And sweep for this game 2. Panalo ang ating Raila Trabungco. And the Raila Trabungco natin will move forward to the first ever championship finals for the Season 1 of Game Time Basketball League. So this time, we would like to request everybody to get ready for our game on Monday. And that will be scheduled for Monday pa rin tayo here at the Barangay San Tomas Capili between the Game 3 or Do or Die game of the Team Sultans and Team Bajab. So this time, mga ka-GBL, we would like to request our coach, our assistant coach, for our Raila Trabungco. So interviewin natin. Let's go. Come on.
Tulong kayo?
GBL.
All right, so now let us interview our assistant coach in behalf of Coach Popoy. So, Coach, assistant coach, congratulations on your win tonight. So, finally, you have advantage on the championship final round kasi talagang ahead kayo. So, there will be more time for you to prepare. So, tonight, Coach, pag-usapan natin yung nangyari ngayon tonight. So, tonight, what's your gameplay for your team to make a win? Kasi alam naman natin na talagang gusto mag-comeback ng Team Ares. So, what's your gameplay for tonight's game?
Kasabutan na mo sa first game na mo nga namin mga video error gamay so murag apit sila na comeback.
Yes.
So mga few days nag-practice mi.
Ay, championship na.
Among nagplano mi.
Bapo kay dul-duol na.
Usawa na mo sila pa.
Layo kayo, hurot
sa
ang
mga
gusto
play
nila.
na mo. So nagkuhan mi nagtaw-taw gid mi.
O, lagi
mo
Wala
gani.
mi giguat until the
I-apply ninyo tonight.
mahumang gid ang quarter fourth.
Grabe. Sunod silang balsita, gamo, sunod sila. Sunod silang balsita, tagak na ron.
Walay discourage, walay say tawag sa referees. Wala na dili na mo
ano to?
Para dili. And now, as we all know, Coach, from first, second, third, fourth hanggang huli, you have a commanding lead. So, hindi naman nahabol ito single digits. So, nagkumpiyansa ba kayo that time? Wala ba? Or ano ba yung still motivation natin? Kasi alam naman natin na hindi natin malalaman kung ingon pa, lingin ang bola. So, what's your motivation for them from every quarter?
Butang gingon na mo nga walay kumpiyansa in every quarter pila ka minutes, walay kumpiyansa kung labaw as mayo mas muda ko pang labaw para pakabot sa fourth quarter dili na mahitabo tong pareha sa game 1 nga apit sila makakambak. Kung
Yes.
na ang gibuhat, wag yun. Defense always, defense yun.
Yes, okay. So defense always wins, no? So coach, tonight, hindi na bigo ang ating home court advantage kasi representing kayo ng Tomas Kabili. So coach, any shout out po sa ating mga GBL fans, especially sa mga fan natin on our beloved barangay of Tomas Kabili sa buong mundo at sa buong Pilipinas na nanonood sa ating laro tonight.
Una, salamat ta sa ating Panginoon kasi nandito tayo ngayon at nakaabot tayo sa Big Four. Lahat ng at saka sa sa Kuya Larry, kay Kuya Ryan at at lahat ng mga friends, families at sa lahat ng mga nagsuporta sa GBL sa official at mga kay Kuya Junji at kay Kuya GBL. Salamat kayo.
All right, so coach, thank you so much. Maraming salamat. So there you go, ladies and gentlemen, our assistant coach for Rela Trabunco. So now they're preparing against the waiting team naman tayo for either between Badjap. Talagang malalakas yung kalaban nila, guys. So now this time, we would like to request our Commissioner John G. Let us now announce our Derek Shell player of the game of our game 2. So now, our Derek Shell player of the game, 17 points, 6 rebounds, 5 assists, 2 steals, and 3 blocks. Grabe kompleto yung stats mga ka-GBL. So no other than our Derek Shell player of the game is we have no other than nawala. Nawala. Sorry. Okay, we have number 8. Congratulations to no other than, sino ba yan? Okay. So we have, Philip Reyes. Ayan. Palakpakan natin, sir. Ayan, boss, Philip Reyes, congratulations pa rin. Okay, so we have from 4J, Active Sportswear. Wala ba? Ayan, so, sir, congratulations. Picture tayo. So another, but anyway, congratulations pa rin sa ating Team Ares. So before anything else, so let's take a photo tayo. Picture here. Dito to. Tunga ka. Tingin sa camera. Okay, so congratulations. So maraming sa 4J Sir Reyes. Congratulations. Grabe, back-to-back talaga yung ating natin, no? So anyway, so first and foremost question, congratulations, no? Again, this will be a great way for you to express an idea. So now, Reyes, congratulations. Being our directional player of the game, ano ba yung nakikita niyo pong motivation to close and seal the deal this game? Kasi alam naman natin that the Ares might do the comeback. So ano yung great motivation sa inyong mga players sa the team?
Among i-prepare jud na kuan ning amo na jung kwaon kay para wala na pressure sa game 3 pa dayon maulay pa mi nakamit time.
Taso practice.
So, dayon makakuan pa mi makapanganda pa mi sa mo daw rest importante kay sa mata sa buwan. Ang kaedad.
So when it comes to ball rotation, yung rotation, talagang they are preparing to all the key players. Pero sino ba talaga ang medyo, if you can say, talagang key player in your team na talagang nag-lead kayo na time? Sino ba yung, aside from you, na key player of the game, sino ba yung isa sa inspiring team player ninyo na kasama mo na masasabi mo talagang isa din sa naging aspiring for your team?
Among kuan mga veterans, specialist
Yes.
Kuya Nixon, Awe,
Yes.
Rabe, Taganos, kami man lahat na participate na mag-practice
Yes.
kami para ready sa mga dula.
Yes. And now, last thing before anything else, what will be your preparation for your finals, first appearance on the championship final round?
Salamat ko sa kuan kining sa mga nagsuporta ba sa GBL, especially sa kuan sa mga kauban, sa akong mga igagaw kaniyo mga Marmar, Kuya Tom, Manman, Doy, si Doc Clarence,
Mga base fans,
ikan pa na sila dulup ka magsuporta ba.
Ikan pa? Maraming
mga
salamat.
relatives.
Yeah, thank you so much. Okay, but anyway, hindi naman nabigo kasi panalo kayo tonight. So, congratulations, Sir Reyes. So, good luck and see you on our final championship round. So, there you go, mga ka-GBL. Our direct shot player of the game is no other than Mr. Reyes. So, now, mga ka-GBL, so we are going to have one more play on Monday schedule pa tayo. So, please abangan nyo yung schedule natin for our matchup. As mentioned by Kuya John, that we are going to prepare ourselves also kahit di pa tapos yung championship natin. We are going to proudly announce that on July 13 po tayo, we will be having another season 2 for this year's opening. So please watch out po tayo. Invited po kayong lahat to watch our tip-off of our season 2. So anyway, sa mga hindi pa mga ka-GBL natin na hindi pa nakapag-follow sa ating Facebook page and sa ating YouTube channel, so subscribe na po and follow na po sa ating Facebook page for all the highlights and updates for our Game Time Basketball League. So mga ka-GBL, you know what time is it? This is your Mike Master G, Jervin, Arena Dalangin Halili saying, it's game time. Thank you so much, everyone. Have a good night. God bless.
Hello, Iliganons! As we enjoy the game, let's remember to play fair, respect one another, and have fun. Daog or Pildi, basketball is about teamwork, discipline, and sportsmanship. So good luck to everyone. Kini inyong Mayor, Freddy Xiao, ang pirmi nga masaligan, masadigan o masangpit sa tanan. Padayon, Asenso, Iliganon.